What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Taytay. I'm back again with another video. As you can see, walking. Y'all still there? Good morning. Trying to be rude to people, and they trying to be nice. But yeah, just walking. Oh, it's a big ass bag. But yeah, I'm just yeah, I seen that. I've been, well, yeah, of course I seen it because I'm me, but I've been slipping on my workouts this summer because I've been, lazy. So I stay up all night, I stay up late at night, and then in the morning, I don't be having no time to, I'll be tired to get up and walk, but I need to stop doing that because, what I'm trying to do. Feel me? So yeah. But I walked, what's today? Today's Monday. I didn't do nothing yesterday because I had to run a few errands and I had just got home late Saturday night. So yeah, Sunday, I slept till like 10. Usually I'm up 7, 8 o'clock in the morning. Usually 7, sometimes 6 when I'm at home, but I haven't been home, so I've been going back and forth. So when I'm out, I don't, be sticking to my routine that I'm supposed to, and I'm gonna stop doing that because, I know what I'm trying to do and what goals that I have, and I can't be messing it up. So yeah, I'm out here walking, talking. Feels good though. I'm trying to walk an hour a day because it's healthy thing to do. I wish I would have woke up earlier though, because now I see how the sun about to pop out where I live at in the damn desert. It's hot as hell. I got my water though. So if you hear me being winded, and it's because I'm out of shape, fat, and walking in this heat is, it is what it is. Get my water though. Oh, wow. Water, folks. Get it up. But yeah. Monday. I hope everybody's having a good start off to their week. I think getting out, being active is a great way to start the week. You'll be able to continue it throughout the week. Yes. Excuse me. I really don't like cold water. I don't know about y'all. I really do not like cold water. I like my water room temperature, unless I'm really, really, really thirsty. Because Braylon, she love water. She drink, that's her go-to drink. She drink water all day. And sometimes when I be seeing her water, be looking so cold and good, I be drinking it up. Yeah, I've been walking for 4 minutes. Wow, it seems like a long time. But yeah, I try to walk for an hour. I'm not gonna record walking for an hour. Nobody wants to just see, me walk for an hour. This is how that sun. This might be hot. It's me and the tree. Nobody really be out. know out here we got a whole bunch of empty space for why. I don't know. They don't want to build stuff to a little town. They don't want to build anything. They just want shit to look like this. You be building hella houses, hella stores. But I guess they don't want to do that. I heard a damn dog. That's the only thing that I don't like about out here is because it be coyotes and stray dogs. People like we have weak ass gates like this, so when people have big dogs, they break them and they get loose. So I be want to bring my dog to walk, but he's so little. I be seeing so many stories of little dogs getting attacked and all that. I just don't be wanting to bring them out. But I know that he would enjoy this walk or whatever. But yeah, I know he would enjoy it, but I don't want no dog to come pop out and attack my fucking dog. I'm so sad. Something happened to him. And then little dogs, they the worst because they think they so bad. Little dogs got all the bark. Then when they get close or free, they don't do none of that. They just bark. They just little and crazy. I don't even got on the proper shoes. I got on Nike slides. That's how you know I'm not in workout mode no more. That's sad. And I gotta get used to talking to the camera if I want to vlog. Because when I see people, I be kind of like don't want to do it. But we can't worry about what other people doing. What other people gonna say. And it's like so much weird stuff. You don't know what's inside these little bushes. I be trying to stay close to the edge for the cars, but I ain't even bring no earphones or nothing either. It's just me, my water, camera, my legs. Yeah. So I'm just about to walk around. It really hasn't even been that long, or not even that far. It was not that far. I live right there where you that's I'll find it. So I really even haven't done anything, and I'm already not tired but winded. So, yeah. Goes to show you gotta keep slipping. Slipping. I feel disappointed in myself. Like for real disappointed in myself because I know what I'm supposed to be doing. And I know why I'm supposed to be doing it. But I just get sidetracked. And it's my fault. Then when I start having health issues and problems and all that shit, I just seen a fucking lizard. What's the fuck? It's crazy. I don't know, people be like nature people be like, I love nature. I like to be outside. I don't. I'm sorry. I don't like nature. There's so many bugs. It be all, like, new, every year it's like new bugs. Like, the other day I seen like it was little, but it was green. Never seen that kind of bug in my life. Then I went to the park, and I was laying down on the blanket. I seen two little baby spiders. They was black, but they was real tiny. When did spiders start coming to the park? I'm like, what the hell? I'm sorry, I can't fuck with it. I'm not a nature person. Let me be in the house. Give me some cable. Give me a game. Get my Switch, my DS, my Xbox, my PlayStation. It don't matter. I would rather do that than be outside. But I do. But I go out like to go places, but like just to be outside. Like I never been camping. Like camping and just like walking around like this. That's not my thing, but to go out, I gotta let me get in the car, drive on the road and go somewhere and go inside a building. I can do that, but like nature, like this type of stuff, being out outside and hiking, riding bikes. I tried riding bikes, but maybe I think I just got the wrong bike for out here. I got like a beach cruiser. I need like a mountain bike, some with gears that you could change speed, because I'll be struggling when it's too hot to crawl. That's about it. I'm gonna just walk for a little while and then I'll turn the camera back on later. So for right now, okay, I've been walking for like 35, 40 minutes. That's a 40, 45 minutes. Wanted to do a whole hour, but it's hot, tired. Right across the street from home. Going to the house. I just wanted to end my video and just say that. Hope everybody go out, do something productive. Have a good day. Don't let nobody tell you you can't do what you want to do. Don't let nobody tell you you can't go for your dreams. Don't let nobody tell you you can't do this or that. Just be yourself. Do you. Don't worry about nobody else. And that's how you stay positive. See, I'm tired. But, I don't want to get up and walk in this heat and walk for, 40 minutes, 45 minutes, whatever. But, it has to be done. So, hope you just, look at me and be like, hey, she doing it. I can do it. If they doing it, I can do it. Anything you can do, I can do better. That's the type of mindset that we all should have. That's it in this video. If you guys like this video, just comment on this video, subscribe to my channel, leave me a big thumbs up. And yeah, till next time. Peace.